Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is December the 1st, and I'm gonna do this vlogmas thing. You feel what I'm saying? Because it's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas up in this thing. So, we're gonna go ahead and start this thing off right. I hit at the flea market. Let go. What is up, everybody? If this is your first time tapping into my channel, I appreciate you guys for stopping in. I'm your boy Truth. This is KICKnology. Head over to IG, follow your boy at KICKnology and KICKnology Kicks, and I would greatly appreciate that. The giveaway has been postponed until December 4th, Sunday, because my internet connection is tripping. Spectrum got to do better, so I do have to push that back. My apologies for that, but we will have that going. I will put the giveaway link down in my description section. But today we're gonna start December off right. You feel what I'm saying? We're gonna unbox a sneaker that many of you guys have mixed emotions about. It's reselling for quite a bit. I was blessed enough to hit on the sneakers app. You feel what I'm saying? A rare W. You know what I'm saying? These things will definitely be for the toe. And I want to unbox it with you guys. None other than Nike Cactus Plant flea market joints. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box and we're gonna show y'all this shoe. See if this hype. Let's see what, you know what I'm saying? Let's see. Bruh. Man, boy, straight fire, man. What y'all let me know down below the initial thoughts on these things. Should I let it hang? You feel what I'm saying? Or should I come and, you know, let's go ahead and get that 360 view of these things. Straight heat, man. Straight heat. Let's look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see the top? You know what I'm saying? You kind of let it hang like that. You feel what I'm saying? Or you know what? If you want to wrap it around, you can kind of do what you want to. This is probably the most versatile sneaker in the game right now. You could trim it, you know what I'm saying, if you want to pull a little bit off. You know, I don't like that. You know, I'm going to throw that way, you feel? But this is a shoe that you can dress up, you can dress down, you can wear it with anything. I understand the resale value. I actually, by getting it in hand, man, I see why people will pay $1,400, $1,500. Sneaker communities, my apology, I do understand why you guys are so adamant about getting this shoe. I do understand why the hype is so real off of these things, man. I ain't seen nothing like it before in my life. The Cactus Plant flea market junks. Y'all let me know down in the comment section what y'all think about these things. So I know some of y'all might not find that too funny, but I mean, it's just one of those things. I want to start December off right by giving y'all a little something different, because unfortunately, this is what I think that sneaker look like. As you guys can see on the screen, y'all let me know what y'all think. Is it about the same? But this is what I feel like you guys are hyped over. I really don't understand. Let me take all this off. This is actually just stuff from my tree outside. You feel me? This is actually the sneaker that was up under there, was the Huaraches, the Stutzies joints. But yeah, man, y'all let me know. I kind of messed them up, got them a little dirty, man. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section if you was able to cop those green things. I seen some people actually cutting them and stuff like that. To each its own. But during this vlogmas, man, I'm gonna really try to go out and do some vlogs and stuff like that. I'm gonna do a lot of different videos, comical, some serious, you know, just whatever. I'm gonna post every day and through December. But y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button for your boy. Let's see if we can get to 10K ASAP. So as we close out this year and we start thinking about our top 10 and stuff like that, let me know if y'all think the sneaker community is going to be changing a little bit in 2023. Because I feel like between, you know, this Cactus Plant and all that stuff, it's just, you know, the sneakers ain't looking like sneakers no more. I ain't going to say they futuristic, but they different. You feel what I'm saying? But that's all I got for you guys today. I appreciate you guys tuning in. As always, rock what you like, now it's hype. Watch them hands, man. And remember, these shoes behind me, all this, whatever it is, just bait. Or for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. I'm going to catch y'all next video. Peace. But right now I'm on the beat, known to be brother more, spitting for the king. You